here's everything we made for the Christmas chapter of The Baker's Library. To lean into our Christmas theme, we made lots of classic character treats like our snowmen and Rudolph macarons, which really tested my skills but turned out so cute. We couldn't forget Santa, of course, so I piped lots of Jolly Sugar cookies too. A gingerbread house was a must, but I wanted to make sure it tasted as good as it looked, so we made a gingerbread coffee cake dusted in powdered sugar snow. We always need more savory, and this time a sausage roll wreath with a mulled wine cranberry sauce and French onion brie bites were the perfect additions. And what would a Christmas table be without a Madeline cookie tree, perfectly arranged by my friend Allie and wrapped with a bow? Mini panettones replaced muffins on our menu, and chocolate cherry scones, rosemary focaccia, and pretzel candy canes rounded out our breads. We had coconut snowball cakes at the ready, but we had to cut them up before a snowball fight broke out. And there's almost too many treats to cover in one video, so I'll be adding everything we made into the caption and sharing photos and recipes of all the goodies. So follow for more and let me know which ones you'd want to recreate this holiday season.